All right, guys, so today is Friday, March 12th. Everyone's getting prepared for the snowstorm. They're calling it like a snow apocalypse, the craziest storm ever. Crazy stuff, right? I'm about to go to the store right now, and I'm trying to just get a few things, man. Like, everyone's going crazy and just stocking up, like, just emptying out the aisles. And I'm just trying to get some basic necessities, you know what I'm saying? We're having one go shopping in like a week, so just trying to fill up a little bit. So hopefully the stores ain't too empty, but yeah, we're gonna see what it is. Everyone's getting ready for this stuff. Everyone's scared, the world's freaking out, and I'm just like, yo, trust in God, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna see what we could get, man. Fill up the gas tank just in case we gotta take off. I don't know where, but yeah, I'm gonna try recording some stuff. I won't be able to record everything, but I'm gonna try briefly filming some things. I'll see you guys at the store.
Look at my hair. I look like Frosty the Snowman. Alright guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Sunday morning. We're about, not Sunday morning, it's like 2 o'clock. It's super bright outside. I got some sprinkles on my eyes. You know, but the dogs are loving it out here. Ava's loving it. Antonio's in inches. Kuda Bear, Gucci, Wally.
All right, guys, it's snowstorm season. Yeah, dogs are going crazy. Look, this thing's up to my knees. Look. Oh no, her shoe fell down. So we're making our way. That was Gucci's prints, tracks. Wally, come here, Wally. Come on, Wally. Good girl. Look, we made a tunnel. A maze. Uh-oh. Hi, Pumpkin! Look. Okay, let me go around you. You're messing up my maze!
Botox to cancel my lips.
Really? Hurry, Ava! She's trying to find me in the maze. Hurry! Come on, baby! Look at the dogs. Come on, Kuda! Oh, you went the wrong way! Hurry, Ava, hurry! Look at him. Come on, Gucci! Come on, Gucci! There you go, Gucci. Come on, Gucci! Come on! She can't figure it out. Be nice, Wally. Come on! Yeah. He's at the door. Oh, Wally.
Do you want to go outside for the snow?
Go get it. Hannah, throw the coconut.
Should we make a snow angel? Oh, bro, we should sink it in.
I'm so down to jump in.
Snowmobile?
Throw the coconut.
Look at the coconut.
Damn, look at that truck. You can't find the coconuts? Let me go help her. Where's the coconut? You lost the coconuts? Wants coconut. Wants coconut. No, I actually fell. Yeah. Look at the coconut. Look at the hole that it made. That's so cool. You can't keep losing the coconut. You like it, Abba?
All right, honey, you gonna jump in?
Yeah.
All right.
Let me see.
Should I go on my back?
I think it's best to go on your back, but don't go on the grass.
All right, watch out, Abba.
Oh man, it's coming down hard. Dude, my phone's tweaking.
Dude, it's actually really fun.
Really?
Yeah. Ready?
Oh, pregnant woman jumps in the snow.
Are you ready?
Emma, go by. Wee, wee.
La vi con otra paloma. Me voy a matar. Me voy a matar. Este es mi último. Uy. 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 Este es mi último. Uy. 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 Uy.
Y'all can see the snowflakes. I ate some snow.
I ate some snow.
Dude, it's so fun. You want to jump in, Abba? Be careful. Don't jump too hard. It's so soft. Just fall down then. Turn around, do trust fall.
There's a bump cooking. Ready? Rolling. Hold on. Stop. I can't get up. I've fallen.
Let's go help Mama.
Bear. You want Kuda Bear? And like she wants to come in. Oh my god, God. I've never been in so much snow.
Dude, it's so fun, huh? Okay, Abba's turn.
Be careful. Yay, Abba.
You ready for Dada? You like it? Or it's cold? Say something. You can't get over. Oh, it's cold. You good, honey?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. It's cold. It's cold.
Come on, dogs.
Hey, don't you cut the camera off?
Yeah.
Snowstorm in Colorado. I think it hasn't been this big since 2003. I was about 5 years old, and I remember it being like, when I was running outside, it was like as tall as me, maybe a little shorter. And that's how it is right now when we're with Ava. So that's cool. Honey, we got power.
I want to make some sandwiches right now. I'm freezing, bro.
Should I still start a fire?
Yes.
Just in case.
Yes.
I'm about to start a fire in this bad boy. Hopefully I don't freaking mess it up. We got power, pumpkin. We've probably been without power for how long? I'd say a couple hours. At least. Probably 3 hours.
I'll get pictures.
You want? You have big toes. How you feel being in the biggest snowstorm? One of them.
Pretty dope. She's eating ice. What a crackhead ass self.
Dude, look how deep this bad boy gets.
Almost.
Up to my knee. I think it's about 2 feet almost. Okay, there you go. So this is the sidewalk. Can you see that line?
Oh, wow.
I was definitely curving that. Yeah, 2021 Snowstorm, let's go. Oh no.
My ass is so cold.
Should we go together? Ready? 1, 2, 3. I'm stuck.
I'm stuck.
That was dope. It is the wrong way. It feels kind of cool. It's a little harder than earlier. Earlier it was really soft. Now it's getting harder.
I gotta throw up.
Alright guys, I'm gonna keep shoveling.
The Cuda Bear. He wants to go inside.
Alright, what you gonna do? Oh, I missed it.
I hate snow.
Dude, it's snowing though. Yeah.
My poor eggs.
Oh, the snow will come off.
Man down, man down.
Want me to help you?
Wally, save me.
Let's see your snow angel. Don't mess it up. It's not that cold, huh?
No, but my hands are freezing now.
Jack, how deep this is? Wally's in the middle of the street.
If it's love that you need,
No, they'll
you
come off.
can
The snow will come
take
off.
it from me.